Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So it looks like ATER had a major breakout today, up about 50% on the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow, what exact indicators I would be looking for to have that confirmation on that momentum, and what exact levels I would be looking to see if we can hold above going to tomorrow to have this continuation. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over ATER with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it played out today. And then I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly what we're looking out for going to tomorrow to have that momentum. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned ATER testing $15, jumping all the way up to $19 going to extended hours. We mentioned ATER last week around $13, continued on up going to today, and again, we're looking to see if we can continue here. We also mentioned LIFE in pre-market at about $6, jumping all the way up to $10.50 going to extended hours, up about 70% on that breakout. We also mentioned DTSS in pre-market at about $2.10, jumping up to around $2.70 on the day, up about 30% on that breakout. And one last one that I want to make sure we do keep an eye on, and I'm going to go over this video in the next couple videos after this. I'm going to go over about 4 videos today. I'm going to keep an eye on OCGN. OCGN had major news today with the WHO giving Barrett Biotech that approval on a possible COVID vaccine that could be approved. And again, OCGN is partners with Barrett Biotech, so we could see a major spike going to tomorrow. We're going to keep OCGN on the watch. Again, check out that video in the next couple of videos if you guys want to see exactly what might happen there. But however, I did want to mention this because if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert through that again. So again, here on ATER, this one has been continuing on up. You guys can see here that we have been bouncing off the 20-moving average, coming on down as the market has been selling off after we did have that major spike. And we actually did continue on up as soon as the market did have that bounce. Again, we were looking to see if we can hold and possibly hold while the market was selling off and continue on up. Again, as we did mention, the market does have bounces, and then we have continuations after those bounces. We did mention this in the Instables room. And as you guys can see, we came back down, we tested the 50-day moving average, and now we are testing the 50-day moving average going to extended hours. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we actually had that continuation going on up. We had that rejection to the upside at about $20, rejected at about $19.90. Looking to see if we can continue here. But as far as a continuation and confirmation on that continuation, we're going to look at the 4-hour here so you guys can see exactly what we did talk about this weekend. We did talk about how we did have our continuation sell-off point that we were consolidating at. We had our continuation past this mark here at $15, and we broke up to our previous consolidation and sell-off point that we did mention at about $19. Looking to see if we can break over $20 going into tomorrow. And in my opinion, if we can break over $20 going to pre-market and hold above it, then that would show a lot of bullish momentum, in my opinion, holding over $20 going to pre-market, as the market has been pretty choppy. And if we can hold over $20 going to pre-market, that would show us a lot of strength. So again, we are going to keep them on watch going to pre-market, but however, we are sitting at around $19. If we are sitting at around $19 going to pre-market and going to the open, we're going to be looking to see if we can break over $20 with volume. And to break over $20 with volume, as you guys can see here, we have been increasing in volume. So again, continuing on up with that increase in buy pressure here on the MACD is exactly what it would be looking for. Again, here on the 5-minute, as you guys can see here, we have been overall decreasing in buy pressure, and also you guys can see we have been decreasing in sell pressure as well, with the EMA line still above the MACD, showing us that we could continue. So again, going into tomorrow, we have this decrease in sell pressure going towards the end of the day, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure, get that continuation past our previous buy pressure point. And in my opinion, to get that strong move is to break above our strong buy pressure point that we did have today. Again, to get that strong move like we did today. But however, again, we have been decreasing in buy pressure. We're going to keep that in consideration. Make sure we do break above our previous buy pressure point to at least get some momentum going to tomorrow. But again, holding over $20 ultimately is exactly what it would be looking for on ATER. Again, $20 has been very key for us on the 4-hour chart. As you guys can see previously in the stock, we had our continuation sell-off. We also did have a continuation breakout in this stock at this point in time. So again, no surprise if we do break over $20 tomorrow and we do hold above it, as we have been continuing on up throughout the last week. But however, we are going to be looking to see if we can break over $20 ultimately and hold above it going to tomorrow. But again, ATER, an amazing run throughout the day. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert through it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been supporting the channel as well, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.